Jody here with the Producers Firm. I just wanted to share with you a tool that we've been using as part of our customer rounding process for years now. We're going to walk through how to use the tool, some specific language, to open a conversation to other services that you may offer. Now, I want to stress that it's a tool to have a conversation, and it's a tool not to offer products so that you are compliant with the Medicare rules. Ideally, you would target those individuals that are new to Medicare, new relationships to you. That's where we found the most success in using this. You can use it with existing clients. We're not saying not to, but we are saying that most success comes from those that are new to you. So let's get right into this tool, this What We Do tool, and how to utilize it, how to have the conversation. This is the tool. The top part of the tool just outlines what you do, how you help retirees. And then the bottom half is to identify what's important to your client, any concerns that they have. So the conversation might go like this. You could separate it into two segments. The first segment is when they come to the meeting, or if you're doing it virtually, when you start the meeting, you could show the tool and just let them know how you help individuals navigate retirement. So I'm going to pretend that I'm talking to Mr. and Mrs. Jones. Mr. and Mrs. Jones, just want to take a few moments to let you know what we do here at the Name of Your Agency. We know that retiring can be overwhelming. A lot of decisions have to be made. And the issue of Medicare is one that's paramount. That's why we're here today. So we specialize in helping individuals navigate the complexities of retiring. We help them understand their government benefits, help them get all that they can from those benefits, Medicare and otherwise, and then help individuals feel secure about moving out of the workspace into retirement. And then from there, you simply transition into your traditional Medicare presentation, whatever that is. At the end of the meeting, you go back to the tool and you simply have a conversation as follows. So at the bottom of the tool, you simply say, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, while I'm finishing the paperwork here, could you take a moment and let me know which issue that's talked about at the bottom of this form jumps out to you as weighing on your mind? What I would suggest, if it's a couple, is actually give each individual an individual form and let them choose what's most important to them. That certainly dignifies each spouse, and it allows you the opportunity to see what's important to both of them. So once again, while I'm finishing up the paperwork here, if you could just take a few moments and identify what issue keeps you awake at night. Now, I know that what's listed here, there may be multiple issues that keep you awake at night, or there's maybe something that's not listed here. That's why we have the other button or part right there. But if you can just isolate the one issue that really is weighing on your mind, certainly outside of the Medicare, we got that covered. And then allow them to take their time to go through the form. So this is the three-step process. What, why, if. So we've already covered the what, which is what stands out to you the most, what weighs on you the most. And then the next question is why. Why is that issue the issue that weighs on you the most? And then if you could get some information that could help bring peace of mind on this matter, would you be interested? So here we have it written out somewhat of in a script form. What? We've already covered that. Why? Why is that the issue that stresses you out the most? Whatever it is, acknowledge it, reinforce it. You know, that is an issue that many of our clients are concerned about. That's why we have you considered what would bring you peace of mind on this issue? And once again, just let them talk, listen to them, dignify their response. And then pivot. The pivot is really simple. If you could get some information that could help you gain peace of mind on this concern, would you be interested? What are they going to say? Obviously, it's weighing on them. Getting information, getting help would be important to them. The other thing that you've done here is you have eliminated competition, because whoever else they may be working with hasn't addressed it thus far. Now, you are occasionally going to get folks that say, I'm all set, I don't need help, I have my own advisor, whatever the case may be. That's fine. We're not pushing anyone to do anything. Number one, we're just having a conversation. Number two, there's plenty of folks that you're seeing. If it doesn't work out, that's fine. No problem. I completely understand that. I just want you to know the other things that we do. And if ever in the future you should need some help, you know we're here to help you. But if they say yes, simply pivot to, well, I'm part of a team that specializes in whatever the issue is. I know that we can offer you some information that can help you feel more confident in your concern. Can I set up a 15-minute call with them just so they can share with you how we help people with concerns about and name what it is about? And then ideally you use a calendar link to set up a call with your team member and or you set up a follow-up appointment yourself. So once again, a very simple process. What, why, if. What concerns you the most? Why is that the concern that's paramount on your mind? And if you could get information, would you be interested? This process has been very successful in helping individuals deepen their client relationships and enhance the services they bring to their clientele. Once again, Jody Goss here at the Producers Firm. I appreciate your time.